zero effort trailer, zero effort song,
Zero effort poster.
zero effort poster, but it's Salman boy.
Man, you remember that time my dad became a car? A purple car, mind you.
भाई ऑडियो
Movies-
से याद आया, हम लोग ने ना पिछले 2.5 महीने से ऑडियो एपिसोड रिलीज नहीं किया.
भाई तू कर
यार,
देना भाई.
YouTube पे देखो
तू
ना.
कर दे.
And it will earn 350 crores in day one.
You got a boo boo? You got a little boo boo?
थोड़ा erotic.
सलमान के घर की बिरयानी इज अ फेमस.
हाँ भाई हाँ. टेस्टी है.
अच्छा बिगाड़ा से भाई.
Crazy bro, crazy as fuck dude.
That is called leaving an impact. You know, something that movies do to us. Hello and welcome to another episode of Pop Conversation. I am Antriksh Thakkar, joined by...
There was no need to take 25 takes of this Antriksh. Ouch. Joined by Abbas Momin.
सहला दो जरा प्यार से एक दो बार.
नहीं, वो थोड़ा erotic.
You got a boo boo? You got a little boo boo? And also joining us is...
दे ला दे जा.
Welcome, guys.
Fuck, that really hurt anyway. Yeah.
Dude, firstly, let's congratulate Abbas. He made it 2 episodes in a row.
Yeah.
I swear.
Thanks guys. बस आपका प्यार इस तरह
Yeah.
मिलता रहे तो.
2 episodes, still not having realized why Anurag Kashyap felt so bad.
That he left Bombay.
Yeah, well, okay, that's a
yes,
great segue. We were
that's-
talking
yes.
about a regular commenter of ours. We'll put
Oh,
somewhere here. Yeah, okay, great way to get into it. Movies that leave an impact on us. The problem is Bollywood movies have not been leaving an impact lately.
Yes.
Okay, for the most part, either or if they leave a very leave a
Bad
very bad
impact.
impact.
Like impact तो है.
Isn't that a movie?
But
I feel
it's
like
like
that
a
bad
bad-
impact is
Ah,
double impact. Sorry, is a
Double Impact, yeah.
Claude Van Damme,
Jean-Claude
Jean-Claude
Van
Van Damme movie.
Yeah.
Pretty cool movie. Anyway,
ये अलग ही tangent पे चले जाते हैं बीच में.
just impact. It's talking about impact.
Yeah.
And that's why so movies in Bollywood lately have not been leaving an impact.
Yes.
Right.
Anurag Kashyap recently felt like very
Very
bad
कि impact
when he
नहीं
saw
आ रहा है.
when he saw adolescent.
Adolescents,
and
yeah.
he saw an
Yeah.
adolescent in adolescence. the show, because it's about that. I'm not saying anything.
Yeah.
हाँ, please don't say anything.
yeah. But and so the show is. I watched one episode of it. It's fucking brilliant. Okay.
Okay.
Up till now, what I watched, and Anurag Kashyap, and I would rightly agree when he said, "Ke you know the thing is the show is brilliant. Firstly, I'm kind of jealous that firstly कि मैंने नहीं बनाया, and that this caliber of work can be done because the amount of rehearsals and technical know-how तो चलो ठीक है, the technical working out of the technical aspects of it must have taken so long because most of the show, small spoiler alert if you've not seen it, is like shot as like a one take, like a one shot.
Understood. Yeah.
Like a play almost, like one of those long shots. And like entire hour-long episode or something. Okay?
Understood. Yeah.
It's so immaculately done and so like seamlessly done, so natural the acting of everyone is. It's incredible. So Anurag Kashyap said कि
अच्छा ये सब आप कह रहे थे अपनी तरफ से.
ये मैं कह रहा था. हाँ.
देखा
क्या भूल गया क्या भाई?
अनुराग कश्यप चुप्पी सा नहीं हो रहा है भाई.
I'm putting words in his
तो
mouth.
मतलब आप ये कह रहे थे कि फर्स्टली मैंने क्यों नहीं बनाया था, मतलब मैंने
ये तो
अंतरिक्ष चक्कर ने नहीं बनाया.
ये अनुराग Kashyap कहता था कि
अच्छा ये
Please demarcate
हाँ,
what are
बता
his
दो.
even you
comments.
thought
कि
say-
मुझे
No,
मतलब
I thought it was Anurag Kashyap, but at some point you started speaking so passionately. I was like, wow, Antriksh really felt about that post.
इम्पैक्ट अगर पढ़ा है तो अंतरिक्ष पे पढ़ा है
Yeah,
डॉल्फिन
dude.
का भाई.
So I'm leaving Bollywood also. So basically, Anurag Kashyap said that the problem is that the Indian OTT space, especially Netflix India, if Netflix India was pitched a show like this, it would never be made. We would be
by
told-
Indian
by an Indian filmmaker
yes.
or creator or whatever.
Yes.
It would not be made. In fact, they would be told at most make a 90-minute a movie.
A movie, yeah.
On it. Because it's something like this, like, implying that the
Netflix को हम पे भरोसा नहीं है basically.
yeah,
अच्छा
audiences
content
पे
बना
भरोसा
सकते
नहीं
हैं.
है
हाँ.
कि OTTs don't trust the Indian audiences कि देखेंगे कि नहीं, they don't like intellectual stuff.
So importantly,
Smart
he called out Ted Sarandos and Bella Bajaria, who are like the two main people
Yeah,
at
correct.
Netflix.
Yeah.
Okay, you take pride in,
He basically quoted a tweet or something, or like something of
Maybe.
of his.
But his point was you take so much pride in Netflix pushing the boundaries in
Yeah.
other countries, but when it comes to India,
तुम
you
ना
go for the
गानियाँ
most,
बना रहे हो basically.
you go for the safest, most.
But what pushing the boundaries do? Netflix does trash TV also everywhere.
Of course,
and
sure, but-
he does good stuff also everywhere. So it's a
No,
hit
but
or miss,
then
man.
that's what I'm saying. There, I can't imagine a baby reindeer coming out of India. I can't imagine a. Even when Netflix India gives our established filmmakers a budget, they, for whatever reason, are not able to execute their vision. For example, Vishal Bhardwaj made Khufia. Okay. When you think of Vishal Bhardwaj, you think of Maqbool, you think of Haider, you think of even Saath Khoon Maaf.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to remind yourself कि हाँ भाई उसने खुफिया भी बनाई थी. और Zoya Akhtar, again I have to remind myself कि हाँ she made Archies also along with Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, Luck by Chance and all this. So I don't know. I always feel after Sacred Games and that first year of when they announced themselves,
It's all been downhill.
it's all been down. And even Vikramaditya Motwani in a recent interview said कि Sacred Games first season करने के लिए हमारे पास 2-2.5 साल थे to build it up and do.
Sure.
The second season we just
Now-
had 1
now it's a
year
factory,
from.
yeah.
तो वही है ना, ये तो आई थिंक देयर इज अ कॉमन थिंग, मतलब कॉमन टॉपिक ऑफ कॉन्वर्सेशन अमंग क्रिएटर्स राइटर्स आल्सो, कि कोई शो पिच करने जाते हैं तो वो सीजन 1 से पहले सीजन 2 पूछते हैं कि भाई सीजन 2 है तो फिर हम सीजन 1 सुने.
Something like Black Warrant, which is very good, was already made and they sold it to Netflix en masse कि हमने already बना
लिया है,
ले लो.
ले लो.
Wasn't commissioned by Netflix. हाँ.
तो वही सीन है कि मतलब आई थिंक
That's a risk that the creator
हाँ,
has to
sure.
take, right?
I mean, they could have sold it to, if not Netflix, a Prime Video or a Hotstar
और
or whatever.
अगर ठीक ठाक बनाया तुमने तो कोई ना कोई तो ले ही लेगा. I feel.
हाँ, exactly.
ऐसा नहीं होता एक्चुअली. अब जैसे वो था, क्या कहते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल स्कैम. तो स्कैम हर्षद मेहता ने अपेरेंटली पहला सीजन जो स्कैम का था प्रतीक गांधी वाला, वो बना के रखा हुआ था, कोई उसको खरीद ही नहीं रहा था.
क्या कर like काफी टाइम से.
हाँ, मतलब कोई उसको या आई थिंक बना के रखा हुआ था या वो पिच करे जा रहा था, कोई खरीद ही नहीं रहा था उसको. एंड देन आई थिंक व्हेन सोनी लिव बॉट इट, तो आई थिंक अ डील वाज कि आपको इसके 3 सीजन बनाने देंगे और तीनों आपको फिर सोनी पे ही रिलीज करने पड़ेंगे. ये नहीं कि आपका पहला चल गया तो दूसरा आपने किसी और को भेज दिया. आई हर्ड ऐसा कुछ भी हुआ था. सो क्लियरली हम लोग गुड. अब उसने जैसे मंजूमल बॉयज के लिए भी आई थिंक अनुराग कश्यप ने बोला था कि ऐसी कोई मंजूमल बॉयज जैसी पिक्चर बॉलीवुड में कोई नहीं बनाएगा. बट जैसे ही किसी और ने बना दी और वो अच्छी हो गई, देन बॉलीवुड विल रश एंड ट्राई टू मेक अ रीमेक आउट ऑफ इट. बाय द वे आई वॉच्ड आटम, जो आपने मेरे को रेफर करी थी.
My recommendation is always amazing.
हाँ, मतलब मलयालम सिनेमा की थोड़ी क्रेडिट है. अब्बास मोमिन ने बताया ये क्रेडिट है. Of course. But dude, what a fucking film, dude.
Very good film. Yeah.
Very good film.
Please watch it.
हमने यहाँ पे कट लिया था, बहुत गंदा सेगमेंट दिया.
हाँ, but you did watch something impactful. You saw Namaste
Oh
London
yes,
back in the day.
I watched Namaste London, dude.
Yeah, Akshay Kumar आया.
So
नहीं.
impactful.
नहीं.
Bro,
भाई मैंने ओजी रन में देखी थी थिएटर में. तो
मैंने भी देखी थी.
ये क्या
उड़ना बंद कर दिया है. What is
हमें
this? Yeah.
पता नहीं, अभी लोग इंटरस्टेलर देखने जा रहे हैं और can't believe I'm going to watch Interstellar on the big
यार,
screen.
some people
10
haven't
साल
watched
पहले
it.
रिलीज हुई
अबे
थी
नहीं
यार.
देखी
Dude,
यार.
but there is a
कितने
difference.
छोटे हो यार तुम लोग.
There is a difference.
हद
When you
हो
watch
गई
it
यार.
with fans and when you watch it for the first time, there's a difference, dude. There's a
Did you
different
watch
maza
it?
in it.
Was there a lot of crowd for the Namaste?
And were people dancing?
मैं लास्ट शो के लिए गया था. सो एक्चुअली क्या हुआ ना, ये अभी आमिर खान फिल्म फेस्टिवल हुआ ना, आई थिंक दैट हैज इम्पैक्टेड द री-रिलीज ऑफ नमस्ते लंडन आल्सो.
Right.
बिकॉज आई वुड एक्सपेक्ट,
Because in front of Amir, who will go to?
नहीं, द थिंग इज कि आमिर की सारी फिल्म्स री-रिलीज हुई हैं.
सारी तो नहीं, but
मतलब
a
as in,
huge chunk
हाँ,
of them. Yeah.
तो द थिंग इज कि ऑलमोस्ट हर दूसरा शो आमिर की ही फिल्म का है.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
हाँ,
But सारी एक बारी में रिलीज हो
सब साथ में ही रिलीज हो गई हैं सब.
नहीं, I think it's a rollout. Everything didn't start like 14th was the first day. Everything didn't roll out on 14th. So I
कौन
think-
सी चीज रिमाइंड
Yeah.
में कौन सी रिलीज हुई है?
There's so many.
मतलब
dude,
एज इन मैंने सारी का सबका डेट नहीं चेक किया, बट बुकमाई शो पे सारी ही लिस्टेड है.
listed है,
तो
but-
मैं सारी एक दो दिन के गैप नहीं है
But
सारी.
let's say if you want to watch Andaz Apna Apna, it's not like Andaz Apna Apna is running from 14th till 28th.
Oh,
It's running
okay.
on a certain
Understood.
few dates.
बट या सो आमिर की काफी फिल्म्स रिलीज हुई हैं, एंड आई थिंक दैट इम्पैक्टेड द स्क्रीन्स फॉर नमस्ते लंडन आल्सो. तो देयर इज ओनली वन शो पर हॉल ऑफ सॉर्ट्स.
Correct.
Okay.
एंड येट जो मैं शो देखने गया था 11 बजे का शो था ऑन अ वीकडे, सेकेंड हाफ ऑफ द हॉल जो मतलब जो पीछे वाला होता वो पूरा भरा ही हुआ था तब भी.
Yeah.
तो पीपल वर एंजॉयिंग, पीपल वर पासिंग कमेंट्स, पीपल वर डांसिंग, सिंगिंग टुगेदर. ऊपर से भाई लॉर्ड हिमेश पूरा
वो-
एल्बम
चकना,
क्रेजी
चकना,
ब्रो,
चकना,
क्रेजी एज
चकना,
फक डूड.
बड़ी-
मजा आ गया मूवी देख के.
वो पूरब और पश्चिम वाले डायलॉग पे सीटी बजी थी. मनोज कुमार की मैं आपको अब बाकी
अरे ऑब्वियसली भाई, ऑब्वियस, हर किसी का फोन निकल गया था भाई उस सीन पे, हर किसी का फोन। बहुत क्रेजी था, बहुत ज्यादा क्रेजी था, बहुत मजा आया।
कौन सी वाली स्पीच? द शिप वाले पे?
द शिप फील।
मैं
शिप
ऐसे
वाले।
देश से आता हूँ
Yeah,
जहाँ-
correct, correct.
हाँ,
उसमें
UK.
एक प्रेमोनिशन मोमेंट भी है
हाँ?
कि वो फौज वॉज के बारे में बताता है विदाउट रियलाइजिंग कि फ्यूचर में 600 पिक्चरें फौज पे तो वो खुद ही करने वाला है।
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Yeah.
but any last word? I mean, again, this is again a symptom of there are so many films re-releasing again and again.
I swear यार,
घातक is re-releasing.
अंदाज अपना वापस रिलीज होने
हाँ,
वाली
वो
है
तो
अभी।
आमिर वाले उसमें आ रही, but
Yeah.
yeah,
So
so
what
many
you're
films.
saying? You're like
No, I'm
you're
saying
done
that
with them. or you're fed up?
it's a pattern. No, I'm not fed up. I'm willing to watch things again. But this is a pattern, right? There's no good stuff happening
Coming out, yeah.
in theaters. No good stuff happening in Netflix. अगर अच्छी फिल्म आ भी रही है थिएटर में तो वो चल नहीं रही है.
But then that's the
So-
thing. I think now that they've discovered they can make a little bit of money here and then, re-releasing movies every few years. Now the cycle has started.
Cycle
think-
is fine,
I
but
think they'll do
Cycle
this
is fine,
now.
and I think this is also kind of successful because जो re-releases होती हैं उनके टिकट प्राइसेस आर 100 रुपीज, 120 रुपीज,
Yeah,
150
that's
रुपीज।
true. That's
तो लोग देखने जा 150 रुपए में आपको 3 घंटे का नॉस्टैल्जिया ट्रिप कौन दे रहा है?
हाँ.
कोई भी नहीं दे रहा। तो ऊपर से जो नई फिल्म्स आ रही हैं वो इम्पैक्ट होल्ड ही नहीं कर पा
And
रही,
it's
कुछ है
great
ही
for
नहीं।
theaters because
It's
if you
great
go
for
watch because
theaters,
they learn,
yeah.
man. They are like.
And भाई
See, also I just found out. I think theaters is like theaters take 50% of whatever it is,
yeah.
right? तो उनको तो फर्स्टली टिकट प्राइस तो मिल ही रहा है, एंड कुछ ना कुछ तो खरीद लेगा कोई।
भाई खरीदे हैं।
पॉपकॉर्न से मल्टीप्लेक्सेस पॉपकॉर्न और इससे चलते हैं ड्रिंक से.
Yeah, correct, of course,
टिकट
yeah.
प्राइस इज
द
नॉट.
थिंग इज कि अगर आप देखो ना 400 रुपए जो आप यूजुअली नई फिल्म में 400 रुपए की टिकट लेके देखने जा रहे हो, और जब आप उसके ऊपर फिर पॉपकॉर्न वगैरह खरीदते हो तो आपका 2-2,500 का बिल आता है आराम से। ठीक है, यही जब आपका वो 400-500 का टिकट जब 100-150 रुपए का हो जाता है, यू सडनली आर लाइक चल मैंने कहीं तो पैसे बचाए।
और पिक्चर ऑलमोस्ट फ्री में देखी.
हाँ, almost free में ही देख ली एक
I only
तरीके
paid
से।
for the popcorn.
Ah, yeah.
But all of this will change when Bhai comes to theaters on the 30th of this month.
सिकंदर
Zero effort trailer, zero effort song,
Zero effort poster.
Bro, I'll tell
zero
you what,
effort poster.
When the
but
first-
it's Salman Boy and it will earn
When-
350 crores
when
in
the
day
movie,
one.
when the movie का first teaser came out, the
Yeah.
no throw,
Where he's
बस
walking.
मेरे मुड़ने की
Like
देर
that
है।
one.
हाँ,
Yeah, that was चलो something, maybe he's
कि
awake.
कुछ कर रहा
कुछ
होगा।
कर रहा
हाँ।
हो. Then again, all the songs come out, everything. You feel like you feel bad that your childhood hero in a way
Yeah, dude.
is at this stage, because of course age is showing, and that's totally fine. But he still seems like he's sleepwalking through it, dude. Just
Age is not a thing. Look, I mean, Rajinikanth is 72.
that is absolutely right.
And he still
That is
looks
absolutely right.
like he's actually kicking ass.
He looks younger than you, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree.
I think Kamal Hassan is also in his 70s. Shahrukh is 61, I think.
Yeah,
शाहरुख
And
नहीं,
he's-
शाहरुख सलमान आमिर all of them are of the same age.
same
No,
exact
Amir to
year.
abhi turned 60, no?
Yeah.
हाँ, तो they'll also turn 60 this year, no?
I think Shahrukh is 61. Is he not?
No,
they're all
Okay,
same year
maybe.
born. dude.
Same year born.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, and we saw Shahrukh dancing at IFA. So, if you want to put effort, you can in your late 50s and 60s.
But then again,
also.
एक और बात बताऊं आपको, मतलब
Yeah.
आपकी बात गलत नहीं है, of course,
हाँ.
and all of us would want like again, Salman is a fan favorite,
I'm not
public
saying-
favorite
Of
person.
course, yeah.
ठीक है.
No, I'm not saying कि a 72-year-old Rajinikanth is actually doing those things, but at least they're making it seem
Yeah,
like
that
And
he is
yeah.
that
doing.
he's doing
yes.
it. Yeah.
And-
So,
Yeah.
I don't know.
He feels like he's not sleepwalking through it.
Yeah.
This one you can tell Salman is putting in minimal effort. Although, like, they have been putting out the making of each of the songs.
हाँ, उसमें लग तो रहा है कि
लगता है
मतलब
कुछ तो try तो कर
That's
रहे
what I
हैं
don't
भाई.
understand. So a friend of mine was on the crew for an ad that
Salman
did.
Oh.
And he had some BTS. और BTS में भाई मजा कर रहे हैं. Like he seems like he's enjoying himself. He's joking with the crew.
भाई famously people say that the most fun set is the Salman set.
But when
Really?
the cameras when the cameras roll, for some reason it seems like he's sleepwalking.
Because so
I don't
people
know.
say कि सलमान का जो सेट होता है, ठीक है, टाइम वाइम के इश्यूज आई हैव हर्ड, बट देन पीपल से कि सबको साथ में खाना वाना खिलाता है, सबको चिल कराता है, सबको जो खाना सलमान खाता है वही सारे खाते हैं, मतलब
डर के मारे.
हाँ भाई हाँ टेस्टी हो है
बहुत अच्छा है बिरयानी अच्छी है
हाँ मतलब सलमान के घर की बिरयानी इज अ फेमस
That is true,
थिंग
that
दैट
is
ही
true.
गेट्स बिरयानी
And-
फॉर हेंस द
Yeah, and
अजब
the
गजब
kebabs.
कहानी डायलॉग घर आ कभी बिरयानी खाने
nice
बट
Even
एनीवे
Farah Khan's biryani is very famous. I want to eat it someday.
yeah even my mother makes a kilo biryani
That I can have.
yeah you'll have veg biryani today घर पे पुलाव
बट यार दैट बट आई स्टिल लाइक फॉर सम रीजन यार पता है वही ना अंदर का वो बचपन वाला
Hoping against
सलमान
hope.
नॉस्टैल्जिया
I agree,
पर्सन
dude.
आई विल
I have
स्टिल
some-
हैंग ऑन टू दैट वन लास्ट श्रेड ऑफ होप की मूवी में कुछ तो होगा जो मजा आए
some of my
शायद
favorite childhood memories are tied to Salman like Judwa
यार
and,
फॉर श्योर भाई हम
like,
आपके
हम आपके
बरजातिया
advance
यूनिवर्स इज
Yeah.
अमेजिंग
yeah well
ही वाज द
very
वन
good
जिसने यूनिवर्स इन्वेंट किया था एक्चुअली बॉलीवुड में
no entry
भाई हम आपके हैं कौन में मैंने
मैंने
प्यार किया
किया
रेफरेंस है
Yeah.
हाँ correct
कौन बोल रहा है मैं सुमन
चलो anyway
हाँ सॉरी यस
let's get to finally what today's episode is actually about
Yes.
today's
For
episode
which you gave me a injury.
yes you want another
Impact.
impact you want?
Good.
double impact you want Jean-Claude Van Damme movie we are talking about films that have left a lasting impact on us
Yes.
like if Salman's movie is to be named Bajrangi Bhaijaan did to me but that's not one of my
Yeah,
favorites
I was like, is
किसी
that on
को
your
but,
list?
it's
छोड़ने
not.
पाकिस्तान चले गए
But-
थे आप
तो impact मतलब I have to replicate or is that what impact is to you?
I mean,
is everything on your list been replicated by you? Man, you remember that time my dad became a car? A purple car, mind you. That is the movie that left most impact.
most
on-
impact
Yeah.
on me yes
Yeah. And today it looks like
I had
with
2,
that
3
cap it looks like Bhutnath also left a. It looked like that kid in Bhutnath wearing this cap.
बंको भैया भाई भूतनाथ का लास्ट सीक्वेंस इज स्टिल वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इमोशनल सीक्वेंसेस
मैंने नहीं देखी.
भूतनाथ रिटर्न्स उतनी खास नहीं है
Yeah,
बट
yeah.
भूतनाथ अच्छी है
Ah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
So what is your criteria of impactful?
That makes you. You know, it sounded very wrong in
All
audio.
three are going to be porn
Yes.
films on Antariksh's
Yeah.
list. Yeah.
भाई ऑडियो
Movies-
से याद आया हम लोग ने ना पिछले 2.5 महीने से ऑडियो एपिसोड रिलीज नहीं किया हमारे
भाई
हर
तू कर
यार,
देना भाई तू
YouTube पे
कर
देखो
तू
ना।
कर दे तू कर दे तू कर दे तू कर
हमारे
तू
पता
कर
है,
तू कर
हर
तू कर
वीडियो में कोई 2-3 लोग ऐसे होते हैं
तो
हे ऑडियो
ये
एपिसोड
कौन लगे जो YouTube पे आ रहे हैं देख रहे हैं कि एपिसोड अपलोड हुआ है फिर भी डाल रहे हैं
एक बंदे ने
आंख
comment
बंद
किया
करके सुन लो
था,
ये
एक बंदे ने
audio
कमेंट किया था had to subscribe because you were not releasing on audio
Yeah,
episode
that's the
and I
point.
was like
ओके
that's the
कर
point.
लेंगे भाई करेंगे it'll come soon it'll come soon it'll
No,
come soon.
I'll so what was originally planned is that Spotify now allows you to upload a video version
as
on
well, yes.
Spotify. So we're trying to figure that out, and you can choose whether you want to see the video or not. So yeah, we'll do it soon. My criteria for impactful is a personal connect. Like
क्यों
either
आपका वो नहीं है
नहीं मेरा नहीं है.
No, I actually didn't say my proper what I
हाँ,
meant. Actually,
अच्छा
it was-
हमें लगा was
yeah,
the
yeah.
end
But I
of
mean
it
movies that stay with you firstly after the movie has ended.
Of course.
Okay.
for sure yes
You think of them, and even today when you think of them, you get a sense of the feeling that you had when you watched it for the first time.
Got it.
Yeah, that's what impact is. Would you?
Yeah, all of that plus so my list is also it directly or indirectly led to me doing something in my real life or making a change or
3 Idiots, तेरे लिए पक्का.
जो the
भाई,
second
मैंने भी यही बोला
इसने
था
भी यही बोला
मैंने भी यही बोला था
Guys, they put
Because
it on overrated movies when
But
we
you,
were
but
but
The-
you've been आपने
the-
2-3 बार
मुन्ना भाई
episode
और
में बोला
मुन्ना
the
भाई.
Madhavan track is the only one which is anyway we'll
and
come
that
to
is a
that.
prominent track is the
Yeah,
only
bro.
track क्या भाई
is the only track that was relatable to me is relatable
that
to
is
me
a one third of the film
Bro, I would think the Kareena Kapoor track would be relatable also.
I didn't
The Sahasra Buddhist track would be very relatable.
what is impactful to
यही
you
मतलब एज इन वन ऑफ द थिंग गोज कि एक तो जो आप लोगों ने ऑब्वियसली एक तो आप मुझसे एंड में पूछते हो ना रोज कुछ बचता नहीं
fine next time I will start with
लाइक अब मैं
हाँ,
मैं
ये,
क्या बोलूं?
जो तुम
Yes.
लोग ने बोला वही
What you both said, and also like what Abbas said also.
बट या मोस्टली यस कि आप मूवी देख के यार वही मतलब बट देन अगेन मेड मी थिंक कि डूड यस
It's called forcing an answer. You don't need to have something. It's okay.
fine
You,
so,
you want me to give another answer? It's like movies where you see a certain aspect of life taking place in front of you, and you're like, wow, dude, that is something that happens that way.
ये तो मैं ही हूँ.
in outer space.
That's a stretch. I was trying for another angle. Oh, well.
वो प्रत्युष चौबे का जोक है ना, जब मैं अजय देवगन को देखता हूँ
हम्म,
गाने में
ये तो
चलते
मैं ही हूँ.
ये तो मैं ही
ये
हूँ.
तो मैं ही हूँ.
So anyway, we'll list three films each. Each of us will
Yes.
list 3 films that have been left an impact on us. So should I start with you since you have a
नहीं नहीं,
that I
पिक्चर तो
always-
सेम नहीं ही होगा. I'm guessing.
Okay, let's start with this. What
Yeah.
is the most recent movie
Oh, mine.
That left an impact.
Yeah. Like you saw recently.
Nothing in my list is from the last 15
That's
years.
fine.
That's a
15
good
years?
question. Yeah.
Like for example, another reason why we took this, right? Like why we took this topic is Mrs. right now,
Oh yes.
right? It has such an impact on people that people are actually trolling, like not trolling, like sending threats to the male actor who is, carrying out such atrocities, him and the father or something, whatever, on Sanya Malhotra's character in the movie. Which
They're
is
sending
Mrs.
threats to Sanya Malhotra also.
Also
Show-
for this movie.
Yeah, show men's problems. Why only showing women's problems?
Oh, I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry if that's the case. Sanya Malhotra को तो बिल्कुल नहीं, please.
Sorry for humanity at this point.
Never do this Sanya Malhotra.
But
She
that's
is
a good
awesome.
question. What any film you can think of recently that left an impact on
Actually, I was about to say The Great Indian Kitchen. Actually,
you? Okay.
भाई मतलब मैं थोड़ा सा तो हिल गया था अंदर से.
Mrs. ही है ना?
मिसेस का ओरिजिनल वर्जन. बट यस, बॉलीवुड में आई थिंक द लास्ट फिल्म दैट लाइक
I think Animal also left an impact on what.
You're judging impact in the sense of how much of a talking point it
भाई
was.
आई थिंक जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा फॉर मी हैज टू बी
2011.
हाँ हाँ मतलब एज इन
Is that not on your list? I thought that'll be on your
मतलब
list.
इट वॉज ऑन माई लिस्ट. जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा इज अ मेजर मूवी जिसके अराउंड भाई मेरी लाइफ बन ही गई थी काफी
इसे
हद तक.
बोलते हैं premature ejaculation. He just told his movie. He couldn't think of something else to say, so he just said.
No, it's not
"This
in
is what I
on
was
his
doing."
list.
It is on his list. He said,
No,
"No,
it's
It is.
not.
Oh, didn't you say it was on his list?
No.
Okay, then cut out what I said.
No, don't cut it out.
It's like a blowjob to your ego.
What's wrong with this guy today?
Varun Thakur. Man, it is literally 11:35 at night. हम रोज हर हफ्ते ये बोलते हैं when we say something weird.
और हम हमेशा 9 बजे से बैठे
Yeah,
होते
correct.
हैं, पता नहीं कैसे 1:30
Yeah,
बज जाता है रात का.
correct. हाँ, तो sorry.
बट या जिंदगी ने मिलेगी दोबारा बिकॉज ऑफ अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स यार. एक्चुअली मतलब जिंदगी ने मिलेगी दोबारा इज वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट, वन ऑफ माई क्या आई थिंक आई रेटेड लाइक माई टॉप स्पॉट आई गिव टू जिंदगी ने मिलेगी दोबारा, क्योंकि उसके ऑलमोस्ट हर ट्रैक में ना यू कैन फाइंड समथिंग रिलेटेबल,
Okay.
लाइक अपार्ट फ्रॉम द मनीज दैट ऑल थ्री ऑफ देम हैव. कुछ ना कुछ पॉइंट जो है वो एक रिलेटेबल होता ही है.
Let's start with
That's
you.
all.
What's the number
You
one?
want to start with me
Yeah.
today? Why you want to get your
Should I
asses
start?
kicked?
Fine,
You
I'll
want to get your
start.
asses kicked early this episode, or?
No, I'll start. Okay.
No,
fine.
I'm starting,
Go
bro. let's all fight on who to start. The first movie. You know, when I saw this movie, okay, it has one of the most beautiful and realistic father and offspring, like father and whatever
Child.
child relationship. Piku.
Oh.
Okay, I love this movie. I think 2018 में आई थी. Director was Ashwin Sarkar.
2013.
2013 I think 2013 में आई थी. And
फादर एंड ऑफस्प्रिंग क्यों बोला आपने?
why
Or
I don't
was
want
it
to delete.
2011?
I don't want to reveal too early as to what movie it was.
Well, now it's revealed.
Well, it's okay. Whatever. Father and daughter. I don't know why I said offspring. It's
ऐसा तो फादर डॉटर बोल दिया तो लोग 30 सेकंड बाद में क्या बोलने वाला वो गेस कर लेंगे.
so Piku. Okay. Wow.
Lovely film.
Lovely film.
I love it, yes.
Okay. It basically firstly it is beautiful in the way the dialogues are written. Okay. Where even strong, impactful dialogues are said in such matter-of-fact
Yeah.
manner
Yeah.
that it seems so casual. Like, this is how people talk. Okay. Like, when the three of us are talking, if we want to say something impactful, we're not like saying something and then taking a pause and then like
Yeah.
background music and all happening. That doesn't happen. That's what Shruti Sarkar did with Piku when he directed Piku. Okay, starring Amitabh in what a fantastic Amitabh role, a very unique Amitabh role. Never since then has he done this, and never before also very unique. A constipated father whose entire day revolves around bowel movements and not having any, and a daughter who puts up with him but also loves her father and then finds her own way of coming to terms with their ancestral property and the dad's love of the ancestral property, whatever. That's the whole thing. But the thing, you know what is genius about Piku? Firstly, it has no real plot to speak of.
No real story.
It is just like a few days in the lives of these people.
Yeah.
But it's so gripping. And that last scene, dude. Okay, it's very gripping. Firstly, sorry. It's very gripping. I would never have imagined Deepika Padukone and Irfan Khan would have chemistry and would make a good couple.
Right.
Okay? It is bizarre that it worked, but it works so beautifully in this film.
Yeah.
The love story is not, again, the most, idiotic love story we see nowadays in films.
It doesn't hit you over the
Yeah,
hammer.
firstly, it's firstly, thank God it does not go in the route of where every action movie goes in India, which is the guy being misogynistic towards the girl and the girl like, oh, well, I love this guy after all. Good times. And then falls in love also. Just back. Firstly, thank God it does not go that way. This is a very naturally occurring, organic love story that unfolds over the course of the film. धीरे-धीरे small things.
And the good part about it is कि वो love story को love story दिखाते भी नहीं है.
Yeah, correct.
It's just a banter.
It's implied almost.
It's implied. It's suggestive. आपका जो banter है वो कैसे धीरे धीरे एक्चुअल बैंटर से क्यूट होता जाता है. दैट इज द ट्रेजेक्टरी ऑफ द लव स्टोरी. और एंड में भी दे लाइक जब वो दीपिका कहती है कि शादी करोगे लाइक माथा खराब नहीं है मेरा. What a fucking
Irfan does this in a very well in another movie that I really like is called Kareeb Single.
Oh, crazy film, dude. Crazy film.
Very, very heartwarming.
Love it.
You know what the difference is? Very interesting because I was just thinking of Kareeb Single. Irfan has played a lot of roles where the film revolves around his comic timing, right? He's the funny guy in the movie.
Yeah.
Piku mein he effortlessly just fits into that thing. It's not like, again, punchline pe wo emphasis nahi dal.
Yeah.
It's just his character is like that, and that's just how he is.
But that's also his style of acting.
Yeah.
आपने कारवान देखी है by any chance?
हाँ, I've seen.
Exactly.
कारवान पे तो मुझे लगता है कि उसको स्क्रिप्ट भी नहीं दी थी.
वो
Irfan was just told to improvise.
मतलब तेरे को जो डायलॉग दिखे तू जोक मार उस पे. वो crazy film.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Lovely
What
film.
is Karman again?
It's Dulquer Salman's first Hindi film, if I'm not wrong.
I guess with
I
Mithila
think I've seen
Palkar
it.
and Irfan.
And
Okay. I've seen this.
Akar
I've seen it.
Khurana
Okay,
directed
cool,
it.
got it,
Yeah.
got
But that's a good choice. So how did it impact you in any way in
the
real life?
last scene of the film where or second last scene where Amitabh, spoiler alert,
2013.
okay, where Amitabh Bachchan's character passes away finally after having a very
Good ball moment, yes.
good
But did
bowel
you
movement.
wait for the post-credit scene where he comes back?
As Bhutnath, and that is where
Nice, dude, nice.
Panku ka arc
I think
comes
I
into
missed
play.
it.
Sorry. You were saying something very poignant.
That scene, okay, and the reaction that Deepika Padukone as the daughter's character has to that, okay, like a very serene, understanding smile that, okay, he passed away, in a way happy,
Right.
okay, and of course she sad that her father passed away. That part of the parent-daughter relationship is so well shown that has left an impact on me in multiple ways. Like I can't even, it's difficult to put into words something
Yeah.
like this
Yeah.
feeling of
It's something you know it's coming. You can't do anything about it.
Yeah,
but,
exactly, right?
But it is what it is.
yeah. So things like this leave an absolute impact on me. Anything parent-daughter, parent offspring.
Parent result, parent outcome.
Parent outcome of parents. Oh,
Parent mistake.
like parent mistake. Parent mistake. So any kind of parent-son, parent-daughter relationship in a movie
Yeah.
always leaves an impact on me. Like even I remember even Kapoor and Sons was.
That's why you liked Animal so much.
I didn't like. It was okay. In hindsight.
But good choice. I didn't expect such a heartwarming choice.
What did you expect from me? Wait, I want to see. What did you think?
I was expecting something like Animal or something.
Recently, Abbas has adopted this role where he's like, oh Snehal, ये film, I didn't expect this film out of you. In the next episode, oh Antariksha, I didn't expect this film out of you.
I think he's trying to affect public opinion.
No,
in our favor.
I just feel, in my very humble opinion, that my good taste is rubbing off on both of you. So it's good. He's watching Malayalam films. You're having parent-offspring feeling. Good. Anyway,
Don't put it like that. हमें cancel हो जाएगा.
no, not in the Ranveer Alabadia sense.
Not in the
yeah. But Snehal, what's your first film on the list?
So, one of the film that I have is a film called Masan.
Oh,
If you guys have watched it.
Yes.
तो उसके अंदर so
Have I watched it every day? I ask myself, ये गम काहे खत्म नहीं होता?
so Masan is a film जिसका काफी impact रहा because of the Vicky Kaushal track.
Right.
Very honestly, like
Yeah.
death is something which like मणिकर्णिका घाट, वाराणसी, काशी, डेथ, ये कॉन्सेप्ट्स ना, मतलब वो कहते हैं ना कि इंसान को सबसे ज्यादा डर मौत से लगता है, ठीक है, एंड द थिंग इज कि दैट इज वन इनएविटेबल एंड यू विल नेवर नो व्हेन इट हिट्स यू, ठीक है. तो जब मैं वो फिल्म देख रहा था, लाइक दिस हैज ऑलवेज बिन लाइक अ वायरिंग ना, कि मतलब डेथ इज समथिंग दैट विल कम एंड यू फियर डेथ, ठीक है. सो व्हाइल आई वाज वाचिंग मसान में जब वो सीन आता है ना भाई, आई थिंक उस चीज को स्क्रीन पे देखना उस तरीके से विद द बैक स्टोरी ऑफ मणिकर्णिका घाट, काशी, वो मेरी लाइफ में मतलब मेरे थॉट प्रोसेस में एक बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट लाया. बहुत एक धक्के की तरह वो मेरे को लगा कि वो
Oh my God, I'm not gonna live forever.
ठीक, नहीं बात वो नहीं भाई. क्या होता है अगेन, वाराणसी, काशी इज probably the only city in the world where death is celebrated.
Correct. Yeah.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
So the backstory of Varanasi and then Vicky Kaushal का पूरा track where he overcomes all his fears and everything, and उसके बाद वो उससे बात करता है and then suddenly वो उससे छिन जाती है, and then his recovering from the loss वाला वो, and the last scene where वो गंगा किनारे बैठा है, and you know, so उसके बाद से I went into this रैबिट होल ऑफ वाराणसी की हिस्ट्री, काशी की हिस्ट्री, मणिकर्णिका घाट की हिस्ट्री.
भांग पिया तूने?
तो
He's talking about death and dealing
वाराणसी
with
की
death,
हिस्ट्री
like,
ब्रो.
साले भाई ठीक है.
वाराणसी की हिस्ट्री में
भांग
कहीं नहीं.
भांग.
But yeah, so I went and then I watched like a lot of films. I read a lot about.
Did you watch
Varanasi.
Masan in theaters?
No, I didn't watch Masan.
Dude, it's
in
crazy
theatre.
that Vicky Kaushal went from being that
Character.
role, that character,
Yeah.
to fucking
Tauba
Hasan
Tauba.
Tauba. This is crazy, dude. What a world.
So yeah,
What a career.
आपने वो देखी है मुक्ति भवन करके एक फिल्म है, देखी है?
नहीं देखनी है मुझे.
मुक्ति भवन करके एक फिल्म है, बहुत अच्छी फिल्म है.
That's also set on the घाट.
या
right?
सो एक शॉर्ट फिल्म थी, मैंने वो भी देखी थी, मोहल्ला अस्सी करके, एक संजय दत्त की, सनी देओल की भी थी, बट
That's a full-fledged film.
दैट्स अ फुल फ्लेज्ड फिल्म. एक और शॉर्ट फिल्म भी है, मेरे माइंड से निकल गया उसका नाम. तो कहते मतलब आपको मुक्ति घाट की स्टोरी पता है? मुक्ति घाट की स्टोरी क्या है?
नहीं, quickly बताइए.
हाँ, क्विकली बताता हूँ.
संक्षिप्त में बताइए.
संक्षेप में बताता हूँ. सो मुक्ति घाट बेसिकली वहाँ पे एक मुक्ति भवन करके जो एक जगह है, वो एक धर्मशाला ऑफ सॉर्ट्स है, एक भवन है जहाँ पे पीपल कम टू डाई एंड दे होप दैट वी डाई हियर. सो वहाँ पे 15 days का विंडो मिलता है आपको, दैट यू चेक इन, your family will take care of you, and I think the only bill that they have to pay is the electricity and stuff that they use. And अगर आप वो 15 दिन में मर जाते हो तो कहते हैं कि आपको मुक्ति मिल गई. आप और ये भी कहते हैं कि अगर आप काशी में मर जाते हो तो भी आपको लाइक मुक्ति मिल गई है.
Okay.
So imagine like how intriguing is this that there is an actual धर्मशाला, होटल ऑफ सॉर्ट्स, अगर मैं आम भाषा में, होटल नहीं है बट फिर भी, जहाँ पे when you are checking in you are hoping
That you don't check
कि
out.
मुझे अगले 14 दिन में प्लीज भगवान मार देना. Imagine the romance behind
What
this,
happens
bro.
if you don't die in the 15 days?
You basically
back.
check
You
out,
try
you
again.
go back.
You try again
You-
in a month.
तो वो फिर ये कहते हैं कि मतलब आपके
But you have to die of natural
Sorry, I know
causes.
you're talking about something very
But you have to die
serious.
of natural
No,
causes.
but imagine the guy who checks out on the 15th and dies the next day.
Yeah.
Fuck, dude, just missed. Did this film ever influence you to go to Varanasi?
So I've been wanting to go to Varanasi. मैं अभी तक I've not been to Varanasi, but I will be going. मतलब but just to witness how it is.
Yeah, even I want to go in 2020. one, I was planning either to go to Varanasi or Pondicherry for a holiday, and
so
I
you-
just
so you
I
went to
chose
Pondicherry.
Pondicherry for whatever reason.
Okay.
So yeah, but I also want to go to Varanasi. चल साथ में जाते हैं.
डन 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 वहाँ की मतलब
More
वो गंगा आरती और ये सब बहुत
हाँ,
सही
बहुत
होता है,
famous
बहुत
है,
बहुत
हाँ,
फेमस है.
Cool. Okay, my first movie on the impactful list is Dil Chahta Hai. I was 13 years old when that movie came out, and 2001 is also the year when Lagan came out.
Okay.
So two Amir Khan movies, but Lagan was like this magnum opus, big budget film जो सबने देखी थी, सुपर हिट हो गई थी. दिल चाहता है जैसी पिक्चर मैंने तो कभी नहीं देखी थी हिंदी फिल्मों में उस टाइम पे. These were three boys whose college life was being, or just post college life was being depicted as I had never seen. They were talking in a way that I had actually heard young people talk. Basically cool young लोगों का जो इमेज था ना हिंदी फिल्मों में कि 40 साल के लड़के कॉलेज जा रहे हैं और लाइक माँ मेरा रिजल्ट आ गया, वो चीज़ नहीं हो रही थी.
Like you relate with every character
Exactly.
in different phases of life, like what you said about ZNMD.
Yeah.
And like everything from like the background music to even like the tragic song in the movie which is Tanhai. उसमें शहनाई नहीं बज रही, उसमें वो ओवरआर्चिंग दुख वाला वो नहीं हो रहा है. वो दिखा रहे हैं भाई कि वो हर अपनी जिंदगी की हर दिन कैसे बिता रहा है with that grief. Now when I look back at Dil Chahta Hai, I feel like the last 1 hour of the film is a little जब वो he goes back to with Preeti Zinta and all is like वो मुझे थोड़ा क्लीशे बॉलीवुड लगता है. But this whole idea ना हमारी पूरी जनरेशन का गोवा रोड ट्रिप, हॉलीडे, dating someone who you're chill with, all of that.
Dude, if I'm
I think
ever
you can
near,
track
if
to,
I'm ever near the ocean or the sea,
Yeah.
and I see a ship dur na, I always
Yeah.
think of that scene.
Yeah,
You can't help but, you know.
Yeah. So 13-year-old Abbas watching Dil Chahta Hai in theaters was like, I want to be cool like these boys when I grow up. So yeah.
And look where that has gotten you, Abbas.
Yeah. Still not cool, bro.
Well, I think I pretty much lived
When was
up
the
to
last
it.
time you went to Goa, Abbas?
Have you guys done the Goa road trip?
No.
So
Dude, it's a 12-hour road trip.
So yeah,
I know.
exactly. मैं वही बोलने वाला था.
Yeah.
So I actually planned it with my friend, and उसका एक friend था जिसने दिल चाहता है देख, and it's also like a big plan. मतलब like
Yeah.
it's a very popular plan कि
Yeah.
Bombay to Goa जाएंगे
Unless
अपन.
you're, you know, rich बच्चा where your friend comes in, चल हम convertible Mercedes में अभी immediately बैग पैक कर निकल रहे गोवा.
तो वही
Which what happens.
गोवा is again उसने भी ये बोला, कह रहा भाई the thought of it is very good but when you start driving ना it is 12 to 13 hours easily.
Yes.
and वो भी तब जब तुम पूरे घाट वाट ये सब
Yeah.
ट्रैवल करके जा रहे हो तो कह रहे हो मूवी में 4 मिनट में पहुंच गए थे.
Also, dude, I'm not trusting my friends with driving my car. Okay. And Mercedes, a convertible one, you know how expensive those fucking things are?
You would know. You
yeah,
have
three
one.
guesses.
I don't actually.
Three guesses as to who among the three of us
Has a
owns
Mercedes.
Yeah.
Dude, never, man. Never giving.
One last thing is that उसमें भी 3 friends की कहानी है, and the Akshay Khanna track, right? I remember when I watched it as a 13-year-old, I didn't connect with it, of course. Like, what is the point? But then,
But now.
but not because I have a crush on a woman older than
Now
me.
you're an artist. As an artist.
But you kind
exactly,
of
sir.
see why
Yeah.
the Akash character and that character had a
पर
fight.
अब मेरी भी हर पेंटिंग की आंखें जो है वो बंद हैं.
Yeah. Dude,
So, yeah,
absolutely.
Dil
I've
Chahta
related with like, you know, when you're younger in school, you relate with the Saif Ali Khan character.
I wanted to be Amir, the funny guy.
Like,
I was like, yeah.
no, but I'm saying like what you are at that
Of
moment.
course, yeah.
It's like you are after the women in my life are everything. You're after
Yeah.
trying to get laid in a way, just you know, for lack of a better word. That's the Saif Ali Khan aspect of life, like the early days.
Yeah.
Then as you become older, everything's cynical. You're cynical about stuff. Your college life, just out of college, early days of working, and then all of your work life, you're basically cynical, which is Amir's character.
Yeah.
He's cynical about love, whatever, right?
And he
Yeah.
uses humor to mask that.
To mask
cynicism.
that,
Yeah,
which
yeah.
is
Yeah.
all of us, all the time.
Yes.
Everyone does it.
Yes.
And then later on, when you can't make money, is when Akshay Khanna's character comes.
And basically you're
पैसे
single,
नहीं
losing hair.
and a hot divorcee moves in next to you.
Life is tough, man. Life is
Anyway,
tough.
so yeah, Dil Chahta is my choice.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice.
I agree. You know, I actually thought someone has to say Dil Chahta Hai. It's very possible. तू randomly बोलेगा, तू Dil Chahta Hai बोलेगा. The thing is, I didn't choose it because we've talked about these films a
I
lot.
know,
Yeah,
I
a
know.
lot, yes.
Okay. Then I tried to think,
Me-
what is a movie I have not thought about
Uh-huh.
coming to my next film.
Yeah.
And I realized, ki, dude, even this film we have talked about a lot. From one movie about pooping, I'm going to another movie about pooping, but complete opposites end of the spectrum.
Okay.
Piku was about constipation.
Delhi
Belly is about loose motions.
ऐसा इम्पैक्ट पड़ा डेली वैली का, मैंने कभी चिकन तंदूरी नहीं खाया चांदनी चौक से.
क्या खाया? नहीं खाया. अच्छा, actually, but
Because
yeah, of course. But
Yeah.
tandoori chicken one of my favorite
उससे तो
things
taste आता
on
है
earth.
भाई.
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल वही
मेरे को
पसीना.
रोज कबाब खिला दो, मैं खुश. तंदूर मेरे को रोज खिला दो बस. Fucking Delhi Valley. Delhi Valley does this thing where it is, I feel like Delhi Valley, right? Because of how good it is the reason there was a downfall in comedy in Bollywood.
Wow, that's a
Okay.
big statement. Huh?
Because of how good Delhi Valley is, there was a change. So movies like Delhi Valley and Goa Gone, that era,
Yeah.
okay, of films was so impactful in changing India's, a lot of our sensibilities as to what to expect out of a
Sure.
comedy
Yeah.
in Indian Bollywood cinema. Okay,
We were just coming out of the Priyadarshan wave at this time.
correct.
Yeah.
Delhi Valley was so smart. Okay, again, it's one of those very, it seems like a very naturally occurring movie. Like, you know, natural, there's nothing like overly stylized. Dialogues are not dialogues, you know, that kind of like
Yeah.
matter of fact kind of way of
Yeah,
speaking,
yeah,
like what
yeah.
Piku also kind of does. Delhi Valley did that in like a comedic space, right? Pehli baat to, dude, before that movie was made, firstly, like the marketing, if you remember of it, this is A. Everyone said, oh, आपने आमिर खान
आमिर खान
movie,
A movie बना रहा है.
हाँ, adult movie or adulterated movie.
Or DK Bose वाला गाना.
DK Bose wala Gana, which became like a fucking rage.
Yeah.
Again, dude, I don't think DK Bose
भाई
would
जा
go
चुड़ैल.
Ja Chudel.
Chudel.
These songs, firstly, today with the PC culture,
has given me blowjob.
dude, the PC culture wouldn't allow for Ja Chudel and
Or DK Bose.
the overly sensitive right-wing culture or whatever you want to call it would not allow for Bhag DK Bose today. You know, so both of them would get
भाई उसमें मतलब as in I think society ही मना कर देगी कि भाई
correct. नहीं, exactly.
हमारे बच्चे नहीं
Dude,
सुनेंगे ये.
and there are other things
और वो
in
बोलेंगे
this.
चुप भोसड़ी के हमारे बच्चे नहीं सुनेंगे ये.
But also other things in this, like there is this very hot sensuous scene where
Yeah.
Imran Khan is going down
On
on
Sharaz Treasury.
Yeah, Sharaz Treasury wala, dude. This is in the movie.
I know yeah. But
Why do you not remember?
Yeah,
the
why do you
good
not remember
stuff?
this? Also, if you can just roll back.
I can
if you can make-
I can narrate.
मुझे लगा बोल रहा है if you could just put a snippet here.
No, if you can put a snippet again, roll back of Snail's reaction when I brought it up. Snail was like,
Yeah.
Because I was not expecting him to point that scene.
dude, it's never been done on Indian cinema.
Yeah, how many
And-
times have you seen
Yeah,
oral sex?
and probably I haven't seen it since on Indian cinema.
Because
Dude,
we're
and
watching
very
it on
hot.
Western cinema.
I was
no?
a kid when I
Oh,
watched
you know,
it.
incognito.
I was a kid when I watched it. Okay, dude, also very funny story watching it.
How old were you? 2011?
I was in, I'll tell you, I was in 11th standard, 11th or 12th standard, one of them.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And
क्या बात कर रहे हो? नहीं भाई.
100%. I remember
2011
because
में,
I watched it. I'll tell you the story behind when I watched it. 12th standard, exactly. 12th
Tracks,
standard.
bro. It's 13 years old.
Yeah,
the movie.
I'm in 12th standard. So
14
basically,
years old actually. Huh.
I was watching it.
अच्छा आप 2 ही साल बड़े हो.
I was watching it in theaters with my then girlfriend, okay, and like high school girlfriend, like 12th, 11th, 12th
Yeah,
standard
yeah.
buddy girlfriend, and so we already, like, you know, when you're dumb kids and all, you don't have much time together. You're
Yeah,
not
yeah,
able to
yeah.
meet. So this is when you're making a plan to go out after college or school or whatever. This is when we weren't in junior college. We were in 11th, 12th. So we had a
Got
uniform
it.
CBSE
Yeah.
school.
School, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So when you make a plan, it's like, oh, it's a proper plan. Okay, she has told her family like some excuse. I told my family some excuse because you can't tell them the truth.
Yeah.
Okay, you meet. We went to City Mall wala theater.
Oh,
Okay, वहाँ पे
अंधेरी
time
वाला.
अंधेरी वाला.
This लोखंड वाला.
Yeah, she used to live somewhere
हाँ,
like
ठीक है.
चार बंगले के आसपास चीज़ थे. So we go to the City Mall wala theater and this thing, the movie is going on. Okay, and like 20 minutes of the movie gets done. Very fun, very funny, loving it. Okay, and then she gets a call from home कि जल्दी घर आओ.
Oh shit. Huh.
Whatever. Okay, nothing serious.
Yeah,
but she's like, oh, we know you're not here. Come back. Okay. So now my girlfriend has to leave. And I watched the movie alone now for the next 1.5 hours. I'm just there, like, because
That's why that scene sticks out
I
too.
can't go back to her house. Like, oh, चलो हम भी निकले. क्या करूँगा? I've already paid for it. I paid for 2 tickets. Mind you, 2 tickets I paid for. एक तो use करूँगा मैं पूरी.
Fair.
Yeah.
Nice.
So I still like the entire theater was full. The entire theater was laughing their asses
I
off.
also remember watching it with the
it was a
packed
great
theater.
time.
Yeah, it was great.
And it actually, like, I legit feel that because of how good these movies are, any comedy movie that came after that, if they didn't live up to this kind of a hype or vibe, it was not
But I
good.
think Delhi Belly stands in isolation with that. Like we never had a comedy film like
हाँ
Delhi
मतलब
Belly before
मुझे
that.
भी यही लग रहा है कि जो
Not
लेवल
after.
की आप
Like-
बात कर रहे हो
Yeah, correct.
वो मतलब एज इन डेली बेली वाज अ वन ऑफ इट्स काइंड
Exactly, yeah.
ऐसी ना पहले बनी ना बाद में बनी.
Agreed. But, you know, like, what I'm saying, okay, for instance, if you look at Madgaon Express today, you can tell the inception of that idea
Yeah,
comes from
yeah,
Go Goa
yeah,
Gone
हाँ,
and
fair.
Delhi vibe, the vibe of the film.
Correct.
Like, you know, geared towards a younger audience.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or a certain age group, or like the millennial and the
Yeah.
Gen Z charge Navi, but millennial definitely the mindset, okay? So
By
that
the way, उसमें भी मडगांव एक्सप्रेस में लोग दिल चाहता है देख के जाना
हाँ
चाहते हैं.
Correct,
वही
exactly right.
उसी को देख के वो प्लान
Exactly
बनाते
right.
हैं गोवा
Yeah,
ट्रिप
वो
का.
ZNMD का सब
Yeah,
का वो
yeah,
बोलते हैं, right? तो because of things like this, I feel it was impactful in general in Bollywood.
Sure, yeah.
And to me, just knowing that
Yeah.
these kind of comedies can exist even in India,
Yeah.
because we've seen stuff like this from the Hollywood all our lives.
This
but
just
anyway.
makes me sad because I remember when I watched Delhi Belly, I get what he's saying. तो मुझे लगा था कि हाँ अब तो कॉमेडी फिल्म्स ऐसी ही होंगी.
ऐसे ही.
हम गाली वाले गाने बना सकते
Exactly.
हैं, हम ऐसे ओरल सेक्स दिखा सकते हैं. And here we are 14 years late.
एक सेकंड अब्बास भाई आपने बोला कि मैं मूवी देख के मुझे लगा अब तो कॉमेडी फिल्म ऐसी ही होंगी.
हाँ.
एंड उस कॉमेडी फिल्म के 2 एग्जाम्पल आपने क्या दिए, गाली वाला गाना और ओरल सेक्स. कॉमेडी कहाँ है दोनों में?
गाली वाले गाने में तो है.
BK Boss is a funny
हाँ,
song.
BK Boss,
yeah.
And to be fair, in the oral sex scene also, Imran
And going
Khan-
down on Shahnaz Ajwala is hilarious.
I wouldn't know that, but you know the Kunal Kapoor boob squeeze thing. He said this
That's
on Cyrus's. There's a
चल
scene
रहा है इस podcast
where
में पिछले 2-3
where Kunal Kapoor, if you remember that scene, there's this really like large woman, and he's a photographer. If you remember, he's a journalist
Yeah,
slash
sure,
photographer.
yeah.
So
Who
she's
takes chup chup ki photos of his
in that
neighbor.
same montage with जहाँ पे वो chicken tikka, where he is apparently getting some info from her and he's paying her for it.
Okay.
So if you remember this, he puts it in her blouse
Correct.
and then he squeezes her boob
Yeah,
and
correct.
taps it.
Correct.
So Kunal Kapoor says that this lady who was hired for this,
Oh, yes. Correct.
there were like, so she had agreed to like 5 squeezes. And on the day
That
of
was
the
it.
shoot.
It was actually,
And
yeah.
they got the shot on like the 3rd squeeze. So it's like now there are 2 squeezes remaining because she agreed to 5. So
what the fuck?
it's like contractual obligation hai,
Yeah,
to matlab.
correct. Yeah. It's,
So his actual part was he was confused.
imagine
like,
Amir
should
Khan
I-
came on set. No, do aur.
like,
I'm a
should I-
perfectionist.
Yes,
Should I or should I not? Short. Nihil, what's your second film?
सेकंड फिल्म वुड बी 2 हैं मेरे माइंड में, बट चलो मतलब वही मेरी 2 हैं, तो देयर इज नो पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर ऑफ सॉर्ट्स. सेकंड फिल्म वुड बी गली बॉय.
Oh, okay.
मेरी गली में.
110%.
Picking Gully Boy over ZNMD for impactful film?
यार ZNMD मैंने इसलिए नहीं बोली क्योंकि ZNMD के बारे में मैं ऑलमोस्ट हर एपिसोड में
बोल
बात
चुके हो,
करता
हाँ,
हूँ.
ठीक
मैं
है.
बकता
तो
ही
cliche
रहता
हो
हूँ
जाता है,
ZNMD के
हाँ.
बारे में.
Got it.
एंड उसके बारे में मैं लिटरली सेंटी होके घंटा भर बोल सकता हूँ. बट एनीवे, सो गली बॉय, आई एम पिकिंग गली बॉय ओवर, मतलब ओवर तो कुछ भी नहीं है,
You're
पिकिंग
picking
गली
Gully
बॉय.
Boy,
या क्योंकि जो रणवीर सिंह वाला जो रैपर वाला जो स्टोरी है, द वे
Were you into rap before Gully Boy?
या सो अगेन नेजी ने जो जिस डॉक्यूमेंट्री वो बनी है, वो डॉक्यूमेंट्री जो नेजी की बॉम्बे 70
Right.
वो नेजी पे डॉक्यूमेंट्री थी. एंड देन वहाँ से जो गाना है मेरे गली में, ये सब गाने जब फेमस हुए मैंने उससे बहुत पहले के सुने
Oh,
हुए
वो
थे.
तो हाँ.
Right.
Correct.
हाँ.
ठीक है, तो जब वो देखा, वो स्टोरी कैसे आई, एंड देन आई रिमेम्बर मैंने गली बॉय 4 या 5 बार हॉल पे देखी है. ठीक है,
क्या
एंड
बात कर रहे
द लास्ट सीक्वेंस ऑफ गली बॉय ऑलवेज स्ट्रक अ कॉर्ड विद मी जब वो फाइनली जो उसमें ट्रैक है कि वो नाज के लिए ओपन कर लेता है, ठीक है, एंड देन व्हेन ही गोज बैक टू हिज गली एंड वेयर एवरीबडी इज सेलिब्रेटिंग हिम, पीछे गाना चल रहा है एंड ही इज लुकिंग एट एवरीबडी, ही इज क्राइंग, एवरीबडी इज हैप्पी. सो वो ट्रैक फॉर सम रीजन लाइक मैं जब देख रहा था 2018 में, जब देख रहा था मैं उस साल दिल्ली से मुंबई आया हूँ कुछ करने के लिए, कुछ बनाने के लिए, कुछ अपना कुछ बनने के लिए, तो वो एक ऐसा एक कनेक्शन बैठ गया है कि यार कभी भाई पश्चिम विहार, मतलब मैं पश्चिम विहार से आता हूँ, वहाँ से कि कभी मुंबई में कुछ करके वापस पश्चिम विहार जाओ तो शायद अपने को भी कोई ऐसा यू नो लाइक इफ नॉट लाइक द एंटायर सोसाइटी लाइक 5 वुड नो अस, यू नो. तो एक वो उस मैं जेन्युइनली बता रहा हूँ, 1-2 बार तो एक्स्ट्रा मैंने उस सीक्वेंस के लिए देख ली होगी वो फिल्म, यू नो, जस्ट टू मेक, बिकॉज मुंबई में तुम्हें बिलीव और कुछ हो ना हो तुम्हें बिलीव होना बड़ा जरूरी है इस शहर में. तो उस फिल्म ने आई थिंक वो बिलीव जगाया था, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट फिल्म आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाई आई एम स्टिल हियर, बिकॉज यू नो होप is a dangerous thing, as they say in Shawshank Redemption. So yeah, that's why Gully Boy.
That's a very beautiful way of putting it, by the way. Very nice.
Yeah, it's a good,
very poetic.
good choice.
Thank you.
Poetic for a poetic movie.
Yes.
So I have cheated for my second.
Another Zoya Akhtar movie.
No, I have chosen 2 movies because they're similar in theme.
Okay.
And this is Abbas studying dentistry, wanting to break out of this and convince his
But
father.
you said you 3 days is not on the list.
It's not.
Munna Bhai MBBS.
Jesus Christ!
Munna Bhai MBBS.
No. The 2 films are Wake Up Sid and Udaan.
Udaan, I knew
Yes,
it. I
yeah.
knew
Nice.
Udaan
Great.
would be on
उड़ान
the
में
list.
अपने पैथोलॉजी और माइक्रोबायोलॉजी का एग्जाम बंक करके देखने गया था फन सिनेमाज में इन बैंगलोर. बट बोथ दीज मूवीज they're like very different takes on similar this thing. Wake Up Sid, rich kid who doesn't know what to do,
Fantastic,
but I don't know, it's just something about that movie which is I think it's the best confused Ranbir Kapoor movie. Ranbir Kapoor,
Yeah, Ranbir Kapoor playing confused
Playing
is
confused
almost
youth.
every film.
Yeah.
But yeah.
But I just love that movie. I just like
love it.
the idea of this
good.
young boy confused who's not getting to follow what he wants in his life.
But he doesn't know what he wants.
I don't know what he wants just because he's not good in academics. His parents don't. His father specifically does not really support him. And जो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जैसे जो बहुत क्लीशे हो गई हैं अब फिल्मों में और वेब सीरीज वगैरह में कि वो छोटी छोटी बैंड्रा की गलियों में small moments that he's seeing, he's getting hope through that. The fact that he gets this one friend who he shares his life with, and the criticism of the movie is like कि अगर आप देखो तो सिड की लाइफ में कोई बड़ा चेंज नहीं आया. उसने मतलब उसको नौकरी मिल गई, उसने अंडा बनाना सीख लिया. Sure, you can. Well, that's one way to look at it. But when you're down and out and the world seems hopeless, even those small things seem really.
मुझे एक बात बताओ आप. हाँ सॉरी,
No.
आप लोगों ने लक्ष्य देखी है ऋतिक
हाँ
वाले?
देखिए.
हाँ मैंने एक्चुअली लक्ष्य कभी स्टार्ट टू फिनिश एक टाइम में नहीं देखी.
मैं
बट
देखी.
For like मैं जब
parts
भी
में देखी
like
है.
whenever someone talks about Wake Up Sid, for some reason I have
It is,
this
yeah, there is
voice
a
in my
very
mind that
similar-
Lakshay is
better version
a
of that.
way better version of, because there is a complete like जैसा complaint आपने रणवीर का बताया ना कि वो actual में कहीं पहुंचता नहीं है,
Right.
वो कहीं
But that
बट
almost
एक
seems more
मकसद मिल
realistic.
जाता है. हाँ.
भाई
That
but
almost seems more realistic.
the मकसद part is
And relatable.
actually the Lakshay का whole point.
Correct, yeah,
of where he is also like a rich person. Dad
Dude,
ने
see,
कभी
that-
believe नहीं किया. he उसको मतलब उसमें एक बहुत बढ़िया सीक्वेंस लगता है मुझे लक्ष्य में कि जो उसके दोस्त कर रहे हैं ना, ही इज लाइक हाँ डूड तू सही तो कह रहा है, चल मैं ये कर लेता हूँ. एंड देन ही शाम को दूसरे इंसान से बात करता है लाइक हाँ डूड बात तो तू भी ठीक कह रहा है. लाइक दैट इज एक्चुअली समवन, मतलब जो उस एज में कॉलेज में हु डजंट नो एनीथिंग, उसको कोई भी एक ऐसा लगेगा कि हाँ डूड यू आर एन इन्फॉर्म्ड पर्सन, तो मैं हाँ इसकी मान लेता हूँ, शायद ये ठीक रहेगा.
I think a slight difference, to put it in one sentence between the 2 movies, would be Laksh is about finding your purpose, and Wake Up Sid is about understanding what you're passionate about.
Correct. Yeah. I would agree
हाँ
with that.
fair.
Yeah.
Yes.
But just as this thing, an interesting thing is, so Laksh made by Farhan Akhtar, and the dialogues were written by his father, Javed Akhtar, and the film is about son trying to find his this thing. Very interesting. And the second, of course, Udaan, which is like Udan is of course not as optimistic a film as
Yes.
Wake Up Sid. जो Udan का character काफी young है. I was closer to age more to the Udan character.
Yeah.
But again, the songs, the poetry in that movie, again, like you said, that movie more than any other gave me the idea that there's no other option rather than hoping that this will work out. Like
Yeah.
if I have to quit what I'm studying right now, I have to put in an effort and face my father and go and say, Abba, I have to stop saying Abba nahi manenge actually.
शशांक who's been on the podcast,
Yeah,
आज मैं उससे यही टॉपिक डिस्कस कर रहा था, एंड he's like, कहता ब्रो उड़ान तो देख लिस्ट पे होगी किसी ना किसी के, एंड आई एम लाइक हाँ, एंड देन ही वाज लाइक, कह रहा मेरी लिस्ट पे भी होती, बट आई हेट द फकिंग गट्स आउट ऑफ दैट फिल्म. आई वाज लाइक व्हाई? कह रहा भाई अगर मैं वो पिक्चर ना देखता ना, आज मैं बेंचो टीसीएस में बैठ के आईटी कंपनी कमा के कम से कम ऐसा 1-1.5-2 लाख रुपए कमा रहा समझ के. कह रहा पैशन फॉलो कर रहे, लिख रहे कि ये वाला एड इस पे बढ़िया लगेगा.
So I think Wake Up Sid and Udan came around the same time.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. 2008, 2009.
Yeah, so I firstly had a boarding school life. Okay, I've done the whole sneaking out of boarding school. So things like this, right? Like have already like an impact because like ये तो मेरी जिंदगी के बारे में है,
Correct,
like
yeah,
those kind of things. When Wake Up Sid happened, right? I was in college and I was like going through a very bad part of college where I was a terrible student during those years. My entire college life मैं बहुत गिरते पड़ते पास हुआ. Okay, and I was just I knew that I've taken the wrong field. Okay, architecture is not meant for me. Like some of my friends are doing a great job of it now, but like I realized that it's not meant for me very early. But I still stuck it through, but was miserable throughout. So when every day I would feel, dude, this is मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ life के साथ? I don't know what I want to do. Do I really want to do this? So when Wake Up Sid, when I saw this, I was like, dude, this guy is telling my story.
Yes.
And to some extent must be true for the both of you also, right? Because you aren't really pursuing what you guys studied in college.
I am actually.
Really? What did you?
Media.
Mass communication, yes.
Oh, okay. So
But
good for you,
मतलब I
man.
started-
following your dreams, dude.
That's why he related with Gully Boy.
Yeah, मतलब I studied journalism. I'm not pursuing journalism per se, but then same mass comm.
So yeah, those two movies had a big impact on me. So Wake Up Sid and Udan are the reason why I'm not a doctor.
Dentist.
Let's be honest. Yeah. Let's be.
Dude, and पता है apology डालनी पड़ी थी इसको राहुल दुआ को, क्योंकि उसने डेंटिस्ट पे एक पूरा सेट किया था, and he was like कि भाई sorry मैं emotion
they are sensitive as
Dude, also this is so stupid to get offended at because it's the most common joke dentists get. Oh, not
Yeah, but
doctor.
it's more
Like
again,
physiotherapists get that shit.
yeah, and there was a controversy about that also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do it. dude. हमारे views मिल
आप
जाएंगे.
मेरे को ये
All the physiotherapists and dentists will watch our episode.
एक एपिसोड ऐसा करते हैं गेसिंग की किस चीज पे कंट्रोवर्सी
नहीं हुई
है या एक कोई मूवी देखते हैं जिसमें हम लोग पॉइंट्स निकालते हैं कि ओ इस पे ये एंगल बन के कंट्रोवर्सी कर दें क्या, लाइक यू नो लेट्स जस्ट वॉच अ फिल्म टुगेदर. बट एनीवे,
Okay, last round. What's your number 3?
another one.
Okay.
Another one.
My number 3, yaar. So I have 2 films. Okay. One is like a comedy starring Shah Rukh Khan, which is Badshah.
yeah.
Okay. And the other one, because this is my favorite rom-com from the 90s, which is Dil To Pagal Hai.
Oh bro,
It's that.
really?
Yeah, that's my favorite rom-com from the 90s. I like
There
it
is
more.
not much calm in Dil To Pagal Hai. It's mostly rom.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
That is true. But I feel like it is
Also,
the one
when
I like rewatching the most.
Oh really?
From all
When
of
was the
them
last
from
time
90s.
you rewatched it?
Like just like a couple of months back.
Don't you think Shah Rukh Khan's character is a dick throughout the movie?
Dude, that's true of a lot of Shah Rukh films.
Most of them, yes. But anyway, tell
But
us.
how is he a dick?
Bro, he's
throughout
just
the film?
he's just being a dick to the Karishma Kapoor character throughout the movie. Just because उसके दिमाग में ये माया वाला character है.
But एक बात बताओ, like I haven't seen it like.
But she
very-
basically he
एक
does.
Also
second,
through
but he
1997
doesn't lead her
lens,
on,
it's
huh?
very there are a lot of sexist humor in there.
नहीं,
Also, in all
I'm
honesty,
sure, like मतलब.
he didn't lead her on. Is that what
Yeah,
I'm
मैं
saying? Or
He
is
didn't
he
lead her on,
manhandling
but
her?
he's just being mean to her throughout the movie.
But
She's still
isn't that
He's like
she's
being
like
like
a
a friend,
friend's
dude, like a
bond?
friend.
no. Yeah, I get when you're working with someone, if someone's your colleague, that like friendly banter, friendly mean hona, wo I get. But in some cases, he's just like there's one party scene or something I remember. He's just mean to her, and then he leaves her every time she tries to approach him.
Huh?
Yeah, it's just very.
आपने
must
कब
be
देखी थी
busy.
लास्ट दिल
He must be busy or
हैजिड के
something.
लिए देखा था मैंने तो, और मैंने उस एपिसोड पे भी ये बोला था, चेक आउट द एपिसोड विद भावी शिलानी राइट नाउ ऑन YouTube. बट मेरे को ये लगा था यार,
He's just now stopped saying the
अब
entire
तो
sentence
तुम
also.
लोग ने प्लेटर पे लाके मेरे को दिया प्रमोट
He's
करने
like-
के लिए.
Just was
Yeah.
Yeah.
So anyway, but
But-
why do you love it?
But the more impactful one, I would say, firstly, is Badshah.
Right.
Without a doubt. I have forever said I want to see more Shah Rukh in more fucking all-out comedies.
Yeah, man.
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर नहीं पसंद आई थी आपको?
I hated
मैंने
it
देखी
actually.
नहीं है।
Just sorry, Shah Rukh, don't do Happy New Year and Chennai Express are nothing to.
Bro, ये
nothing
चेन्नई
like-
एक्सप्रेस even I don't like for
Yeah.
some reason. पता नहीं.
But yeah, but Badshah, dude, they albeit copied Jackie Chan movies,
Yeah.
but they did a fantastic job of it. Shah Rukh is hilarious, start to finish. The romantic angle with Twinkle Khanna somehow in a spy movie works. It's awesome. Amazing songs. It left an impact on me that I fucking laugh or smile every time I think of Chipkali Joote. All these weird, bizarre things like X-ray goggles.
ऐसा मेरे साथ उसमें होता है भागम भाग में.
Bhagam.
Bro, I love भागम
I love
भाग.
भागम भाग.
मतलब as in जैसा आपने
The
ये
best misunderstanding is with that the cops नहीं है, but the
हाँ,
the gangster things.
हाँ, the drug dealers
मेरे
and
पीछे ये
cop.
खुफिया पुलिस.
Dude, so पता है मेरे ऑफिस में एक लड़की है, उसका नाम है शीतल.
Hmm.
Bro,
शीतल लालिया.
I swear, dude,
अरे
every
शीतल लालिया.
time someone calls her for some work and my mind goes, शीतल तो शीतल है, शीतल अदिति थोड़ी है, अदिति तो शीतल है. Dude, मतलब so भागम भाग is forever downloaded in my phone जैसे, and मैं फ्लाइट में कभी आ रहा हूँ, मैं जा रहा हूँ, मैं रैंडमली किसी भी सीन से भागम भाग लगा लेता हूँ, एंड आई ऑलवेज लाफ ऑन द सेम थिंग. पता नहीं क्यों, मुझे पता है वो ये बोलने वाला है, स्टिल आई लाफ.
I do that with Andaz Apna quite a lot. But Andaz we talk about a lot
Yes,
anyway.
exactly.
And everyone does. So now, yeah. You think now it's cliche to say Andaz Apna is the best comedy at this point?
वही ना,
Because
मतलब
of
अंदाज अपना कल्ट की वजह से वो overrated
Cult
हो
की
गया
वजह
है.
से it's become the biggest.
Yeah.
I would say.
No, still don't think it's like. What was your question?
Like, is it now
It's not
overrated?
cliche. I don't think it's cliche. It is a funny.
But a lot of
fucking
people
movie.
who watch it now don't find it
हाँ,
funny.
अब वो जेनजी वाले बड़े होके बोलेंगे कि साले इन लोगों को कुछ पता नहीं था कॉमेडी क्या होती है.
कॉमेडी तो हम बताते
वही
क्या
तो,
होते हैं.
मडगांव एक्सप्रेस was the shit,
Yeah,
bro.
bro.
But anything you want to say about दिल तो पागल है?
तो पागल है यार.
Did
so basically,
Badshah? हाँ, go ahead.
no, sorry, go ahead.
Did Badshah like affect your comedy writing in any way?
So a lot of I feel like a lot of Badshah is very silly.
Yeah.
Okay, literally today, even today, if you read my resume, right, on there's a line in my resume which is silliness keeps you sane.
Oh.
Okay,
Nice.
and I believe that throughout, dude. I've always believed that in everything. I love silly humor, just being silly with friends on stage when comedians are just the silly non sequiturs or what do you call it are the funniest to me. So that just it allows you to be silly in a way and be accepting of the fact that being silly is fucking awesome, dude.
True.
And take a shot every time I said silly in that.
And
that's it.
दिल तो पागल, why दिल तो पागल है over like DDLJ और कुछ
इम्पैक्ट
होता
कैसे
है?
हुआ दिल तो पागल है आप?
उसको माया मिली.
आपने किसी को फ्रेंड जोन करके रखा
Not
बहुत टाइम
really.
तक,
So firstly,
और फिर किसी और को पसंद
Did
कर
two
लिया.
women who are interested in you do a dance off?
Yeah.
so Dil To Pagal hai, no, feels a lot more modern
Okay.
than DDLJ.
Actually, yeah.
Okay, so you know what, like there is a certain vibe. It feels more urban
Young.
than and more relatable to where the circumstances I've grown up in. It seems more relatable to that, not to the fact that I was like a good dancer or anything, but people who were at my wedding would disagree. But
Another film जहाँ पे शाहरुख किसी और की बंदी पटा के ले.
उठा के मतलब पटा
पर वो उस बंदे को फिर मिल जाती है ना दूसरी बंदी एंड.
नहीं,
मतलब
that's it's implied.
वो
There's
एक
nothing
सेकंड,
knows.
वो बस ऐसे बोलता है आपका नाम क्या है,
Yeah.
आप ऐसा, आप क्या मतलब ऐसा.
कभी ना मैं शाहरुख को जूही एड्रेस पूछने आती है, वो भी वही इम्प्लाइड है ना कि भाई हाँ.
हाँ मतलब
Akshay and Karishma, what movie did they do together other than this?
They have done a couple of
अफलातून,
movies.
अफलातून में थे वो.
I'm not sure who's the
Urmila
heroine in,
Aflatun's great.
but yeah.
So, like a more urban film.
True.
I find it also another very fascinating thing to me that the father, which is Yash Chopra, made a more modern looking
Film than the
and
son.
feeling with modern dialogues film.
Yeah.
No talk about अरे parents
ये है
ही पिता
पंजाब
है
की
पिता,
खुशबू.
you know, parents भगवान and all that kind of all that kind of talk.
All that kind of
jazz.
conservative bullshit.
Bullshit. You said it, bro. Thank you.
I really love the opening credits of Dil To Pagal Hai. It's the couples who, like people who worked on the film sitting with their
Yes, correct.
spouse.
So yeah, I would say in this and a lot of more ways, which will take probably too long to express. Dil To Pagal Hai is amazing. I think also, even if you watch it today, it seems to have aged the least from
There should be a podcast about it.
aged the least in terms of all the 90s those rom-coms from DDLJ, from the Salman other rom-coms. हम आपके हैं कौन?
Right,
हम आपके कौन seems very dated now.
हाँ.
And
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Very very.
बड़ा मजा आता है देख के.
मजा तो आता है
हाँ.
पर अच्छी नहीं है.
He's like रात इंदौरी बुलाती
No,
है
no.
मगर जाने का नहीं.
This is what Naziruddin Shah says about Sholay, you know, in that famous interview.
Oh, हाँ,
Like,
हाँ.
बड़ी Sholay तो बड़ी मजेदार है.
हाँ,
मजेदार है.
पर अच्छी नहीं है.
अच्छी नहीं तो नहीं बोल.
उसने I think ये बोला था ना कि actually was so funny, dude. My next film is
Sholay?
No, not Sholay. What the stars Naziruddin Shah.
Oh, okay.
Sarfarosh.
No.
Anyway.
Is Maqbool.
No. Like Maqbool was on the list, but then I
You
didn't.
talked about it.
Yeah, it is actually जाने भी दो यारो.
Oh,
Arre.
excellent. Excellent.
क्या
जाने
picture है.
bro,
Amazing.
like credit obviously goes to my mother. उन्होंने मुझे बैठा के ये पिक्चरें दिखाई हैं. Dude, like when I saw जाने भी दो यारो, I like new avenues of comedy opened up,
Yeah,
dude.
true.
And the fact that the film gives out such a strong message while keeping it so light, and again as you said, silly humor है.
Yeah,
फिर
bro.
पूरी
Yeah.
film is just so fucking silly, dude.
There's that one entire sequence where Naseeruddin Shah and Satish Kochek are talking on a phone
Yeah,
with their
dude,
backs to
that
each
is
other.
so crazy. That
Dude,
is
isn't this-
so fucking crazy, dude. It is so funny.
So
Dude, I
funny.
think I've seen this somewhere. You correct me if I'm wrong.
Huh.
I think Naziruddin Shah has talked about not getting the movie when he was shooting it. Or something like that. No?
Some
or
aspects
Satish
of the
Shah's-
movie,
one
like
of the
for
two of them,
example,
I-
this scene where
Yeah.
this whole scene is they're in the same room but they're talking on
Yeah,
the phone.
dude.
Yeah.
Naseeruddin Shah ने बोला था कि ये serious मतलब ये this is diluting the satire.
Okay.
But then Kundan Chao was a director. I was like, no, just go with it.
Bro,
and I'm
like,
so glad.
Like, imagine like he's talking and he's like, कि, Albert, कमरे में कोई है. And he turns and he's talking to Albert and he's like, तुमने कुछ सुना तो नहीं? नहीं, I don't know exactly dialogues क्या हैं, but I'm sure my mom will watch this and comment में लिखेगी असली dialogue ये था. But anyway, and then he's like, नहीं मैंने कुछ बहरा है, ठीक है? And then he's like, सुनो Albert, वो बहरा है. Dude, it is just so funny, dude.
Yeah.
It is amazingly
Very
funny, dude. And then again, such a strong message.
Yeah.
Well, my thing is, Jaane Bhi Do Yaaro is about corruption, so it will always be relevant in India.
Yeah, भाई I again उसमें एक sequence है where Satish Shah obviously dies in the
In the
like
movie,
first
yeah,
20, 25,
yeah.
30 minutes and then पूरा time वो उसकी लाश को लेके घूम रहे होते हैं.
Correct.
And again, what a fucking crazy idea कि पूरी picture का protagonist लाश रहेगा.
Yeah.
ठीक है, but anyway. So उसमें वो ढूंढ रहे हैं बीच में ओमपुरी who's playing like a
cop.
drunkard.
Yeah.
ओमपुरी is not playing a cop.
Puri is the cop, right?
I think
No, Ompuri is the competing builder, no.
Oh, right. हाँ.
ठीक है, and bro, again so fun, like a so funny random dialogue is like, आपको पता है वो रेत में सीमेंट मिलाते हैं. अरे हम तो सीमेंट में रेत मिलाते हैं, वो रेत में सीमेंट मिलाते हैं. Dude, it's just crazy. Like random. And ठीक है, so again Ompuri is drunk out of his mind. He's driving and he comes across Satish Shah in a casket. ठीक है. भाई मेरे को बताते हुए लग रहा है कितना ब्रेन रॉट है ये. ठीक है, वो कैस्केट में आता है एंड देन ही इज लाइक कहाँ जाना है. उसको लगता है वो गाड़ी में बैठा है. कैस्केट उसको लगता है वो गाड़ी में बैठा है. ठीक है, एंड उसको कहता है अच्छा तुमने भी पी रखी है क्या. ठीक है, एंड व्हाट ही डज इज वो उसके कैस्केट को अपनी गाड़ी के पीछे बांधता है एंड इज लाइक मैं यहाँ तक जा रहा हूँ, मैं तुझे यहाँ तक छोड़ देता हूँ, ठीक है, वो उसको वहां तक छोड़ता है एंड देन fucking 20-30 scenes later he gets to know that ओ कैस्केट में तो वो था एंड देन ही randomly just says ओ इसीलिए वो आदमी बात नहीं कर रहा था क्योंकि वो मर रहा।
Oh, dude.
Oh, dude,
was crazy,
crazy
bro.
film, dude.
Excellent. What a great choice.
And of course,
Yeah.
their extended Mahabharat sequence,
Like
which
bro,
is the funniest.
Yeah, Mahabharat sequence ever.
Yeah.
Is like चीरन का आइडिया मैंने अब ड्रॉप कर दिया है।
क्या हो रहा है? Funny.
Very funny film. I would
How
say.
old were you when you watched it?
Oh, I watched. मतलब as in
Like the
मैं-
first time.
I don't remember यार.
Okay.
I was in school. That is
Okay,
for sure. I was in school. मतलब movies का avenue मेरे लिए खुल ही रहा था एक तरीके से. And then my mom was basically like, this is a family favorite. तो you need to watch this.
Yeah.
ठीक है. तो फिर मैंने देखी and then I loved it. ठीक है. And then उसके बाद भी मैंने कई बार अलग से भी देखी है बैठ के. And every time you watch, you find new jokes. You find
Yeah.
amazing satire.
यार मामी 2013 या 14 में उन्होंने एक स्क्रीनिंग करी थी रीमास्टर वर्जन ऑफ जाने भी दो यारो विद कुंदन शाह, नसरुद्दीन शाह, पंकज कपूर ऑल प्रेजेंट और मैं जा नहीं पाया था यार
Oh, shit, dude.
बिगेस्ट रिग्रेट आई हैव दैट आई शुड हैव बीन देयर। आई थिंक सतीश शाह वाज आल्सो देयर, बट या
But yeah, very good film. I think
Amazing.
Is that set to re-release anytime soon? Since it's
It
released
has
such a-
once. I'm not. I
करी
mean, they
हुई है
should.
उसमें,
I mean, I don't know why they're not doing. I don't know what the rights का situation is, but Jana Bhi Teyar Ho, one of the best comedies
yeah.
ever made.
I think
in
that
any
that
language.
really helped me understanding
Comedy.
comedy in a lot of
Satire,
ways.
actually, the word satire,
exactly.
I associate with Jana
With
Bhi
Jani
Teyar Ho
Vidayaro,
only.
100%,
हाँ.
110%. Hopefully ऐसी films और बने.
हाँ.
ऐसी तो नहीं
There are
बन
way
पाएंगे,
more,
but like
more than
Yeah.
10 reasons I can think of why they will never be made.
but yeah,
But anyway.
Jani Vidayaro
Bus.
definitely.
Yeah,
Yeah,
on
my
the list.
last movie. So I saw this movie when I was at the fever pitch of my Tarantino fandom, and I was like, Quentin Tarantino क्या फिल्में बनाता है यार?
And
ऐसी
then
फिल्में-
I watched
ऐसी फिल्में हिंदी में तो कभी नहीं बन सकती।
कांटे.
No. Then I watched Kamine.
Kamine,
In 2009, and I was like,
Great.
bro, this is like very close to what the kind of cinema I was liking at that time. Again, very unique concept. Not मतलब
पता है मैंने नहीं देखी कभी आज तक.
कभी
क्या
नहीं
बात
देखी?
कर रहे हो,
ओ
dude?
भाई देख ले
Excellent.
यार. It's really entertaining.
So I would say, like, see, he's known, Vishal Bardwaj has since also made Haidar and all, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
He's
but-
known for these
Oh, I loved Harry.
Yeah, correct.
Shakespearean
But
tragedies.
I feel Kamine is his most fun.
Most fun,
Film-
most commercial.
Most commercial.
कमीने का
Sure.
एक्चुअली सीन ये हुआ था कि आई थिंक कमीने भी एडल्ट थी शायद,
हाँ,
हो सकती है.
है ना? तो आई थिंक हॉल में जा नहीं सकता था, OTT उस टाइम पे था नहीं, तो आई थिंक कमीने रह ही
देख,
गई
आज रात को ही देख घर जा.
आज देखें.
So he's taken the formula of a Hindi masala 70s movie. जुड़वा भाई हैं, ड्रग हाइस्ट है, फिल्म में गैंगस्टर है, सब कुछ है, एंड ही इज मिक्स्ड इट विद अ इंटरनेशनल फ्लेवर कि जो ड्रग डीलिंग्स है वो पूरी दुनिया में चले, तो ड्रग लॉर्ड्स हर नेशनैलिटी के हैं, सिर्फ इंडियन नहीं है. बट शूट आउट्स हो रहे हैं. द फिल्म इज नेवर स्टॉप्स, लाइक इट्स कंसिस्टेंटली एट अ ब्रेक नेक स्पीड, एंड I think for my money, it's my favorite Shahid Kapoor performance. He's doing 2 roles. एक
हकलाता है, एक
हकला
हकलाता है.
जो हकलाने वाला है वो थोड़ा मतलब बहुत इंट्रोवर्ट डरा हुआ भाई है, और जो फो बोलता है वो गैंगस्टर है, वो हीरो टाइप है. तो फॉर मी इट्स लाइक एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम द यूज ऑफ म्यूजिक टू द एडिटिंग पेस, द वे ही हैज एडिटेड द मूवी. इट्स वेरी क्लियरली inspired by Tarantino kind of films, and Inglourious Basterds और Kamine I think एक के बाद एक साल के बाद गैप में आया था. तो हाँ, मैं उस टाइम पे बहुत इसमें था कि
Tarantino
पिक्चर बनाओ तो Tarantino
जैसी बनाओ,
तो जैसे विशाल
नहीं तो पॉडकास्ट बनाओ.
बट या फॉर मी Kamine is like
नाइस. कमीने मतलब मैंने ऐसा वो देखी है, ऐसा टुकड़ों में,
हाँ,
मतलब
नहीं, it's a film that you should watch from beginning to end.
इसलिए
Yeah.
मतलब जैसे उसका वो गाना बहुत वो फटाक करके गाना था, वो बहुत सही लगता है
Yes.
वो वाला.
Danton है भी है.
Granted, and I mean, विशाल भरद्वाज and गुलजार,
पहली
of course.
बार.
हर मोहब्बत की है, ग्रेट एल्बम.
And Amol Gupte is
Amol
really good
Gupte,
in that
yes,
movie.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
correct.
Amol
Yeah,
Gupte is also
so
there in the film.
I don't know why he didn't act much more after that. But yeah, that movie.
Nice.
Again, I saw that movie like, अब तो हिंदी फिल्में ऐसी ही होंगी.
And then in 10 years down,
10 years down the line, we watch Nadania.
Nadania and Love Yappa.
Did you watch मतलब watch कह रहा हूँ, did you see the DM screenshot?
Of Saif Ali Khan
Of-
sending
No, I don't
to
know
the
what is this.
Okay,
No.
let's tell it to our audience quickly. This will be the last thing we talk about.
मैं
in the
रहने
episode.
देते हैं, बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है इसके बारे में बात करने
Oh
की.
no, it's very fun and stupid.
हाँ मतलब वो है, बट लाइक मैं वैसे कह रहा हूँ कि हम स्किप भी कर सकते हैं अगर, क्योंकि 1.5 घंटे का एपिसोड हो ही गया है.
1.5 घंटे का हो गया.
हाँ.
Okay, so खत्म ही करते हैं.
Wrap करते.
Just like in
Yeah.
Gully Boy.
Let's just do a recap then.
This is coming.
So yeah, those were our impactful films. On my list was Dil Chahta Hai, Udaan, Wake Up Sid on number 2, and number 3 was Kamine.
Yeah.
What did you have?
I had Piku as number 1. Then I had shit. What did I have?
भाई मेरे
You
mind से
had
नहीं
Delhi
है.
Belly.
Okay, I'll do that again. I had Piku. Then I had Derry Belly. I had then Badshah and Dil To Paagil Hai, but Badshah more.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was my list. Yeah.
And Snail?
My first film was Masan. Second one was Gully Boy, and the third one was Jaane Bhi Tayar Ho. मतलब again, no particular order.
Fairly happy with all of our choices.
Yeah, I would
Yeah.
say, man.
I would say there's not even a single bad film.
Yeah,
in all of
nobody
this.
said like Jantram or Mantram though.
Bro, but what a film, dude.
What an impactful film.
What an impactful performance.
Yeah, the bigger you are, the harder you fall. So bigger impact.
Manav Kaul's debut.
Debut, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
But,
Jantra
but,
Mandra.
so
Yes.
again, आप लोग again has
Check
it
out-
well तो
Yeah.
करते ही रहते हो
Check out the pop rap
but,
episode.
pop talks episode
Yes.
of
The
so-
solo
yeah.
episode of
With,
Snail
मानव
and
को उस
Manav Kaul,
भाई
yeah.
वो एपिसोड रिलीज किया एंड अंतरिक्ष कॉल्स एंड इज लाइक भाई पहले 4 मिनट तू ही बोल रहा है सिर्फ.
Yeah, that's true. भाई उसने एक शब्द नहीं बोला.
यार एक्चुअली मैंने एक स्टोरी नरेट
4
कर रहा था कि मैंने हाउ डिड आई गेट इंट्रोड्यूस टू
Manav
मानव कॉल, बट एनीवे सो मानव कॉल
मानव बेचारा बस देखे जा रहा है.
मानव कॉल ने उसमें एक स्टोरी बताई, कह रहा कोई मेरे से पूछता था जजंतर मंत्र के बारे में तो वो कहता था अरे वो मेरा एक जुड़वा भाई है उसने ये पिक्चर करी थी और अब वो कार एक्सीडेंट में आके मर चुका है तो मैंने कहा अरे
Please don't
मानव भाई.
But yeah, that was the episode. Like, share, follow this episode if you liked it, please, with people who you think will appreciate this episode.
Tell
Follow-
us about your most impactful
most
films,
impactful films that
that
you-
stay with you, that you think about often, that
Yes.
you watch often. Yeah.
And follow us on our, our
Social
individual
media.
social media handles. Subscribe to the channel, please, so that we make more money from the channel and
We are
the channel grows.
trying to basically be afloat.
Yes,
at this
Yes,
point.
please.
Please
Yeah.
come for live shows.
If you
of
want
FNM
us
show.
to record this our episodes at a decent hour, for that we need to stop going to our offices, and for that we need a steady
भाई,
flow of
उसके लिए
income.
तो बहुत साल लग जाएगा.
12:30 बजे
हाँ, चलो guys, thank you so
चलो,
much for
bye-bye, guys.
sticking around till the end. We'll see you
Yes.
next week. Till then.
See you guys. Bye.